the cameras have revealed how mothers specialise in hunting on the seafloor. But when this seal comes up for air, something else catches her attention.
Oh, dolphins.
Is that dolphins?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
The bait ball.
Oh, wow. Goodness me.
So you come across a bunch of dolphins feeding on a bait ball.
Oh, you're snatching them there.
Grabbed a few, just like this.
Wow, that's
Pilchards or
incredible.
anchovies.
So the presence of those dolphins are going to help her.
Well, I think she's just getting a free meal here.
The dolphins are rounding up the fish, and the seal dives in for an easy meal.
Oh, there's another one. Wow, that's incredible.
Without the onboard cameras, John would have no idea these seals take advantage of dolphins. But once the dolphins leave, the fish spread out. A lone seal can't keep them bunched together.
We're seeing here that she's working really hard, and there's a huge school of fish there, but she's getting very few of them.
With a belly full of food, she heads back to the seafloor.